Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this fantastic 208 in the Tech Edition specification. This car's loaded with great features including park assist, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera and 3D navigation. There's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's also cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 14,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.